Hello, thanks a lot for stopping by How to Cook Great. Now if you like what you see, there's over 3,000 other cooking videos on our channel. Give us a thumbs up, leave a comment, and I'll try and get back to you. Okay, let's get on with this one. How you doing, everyone? So, really simple. Beetroot soup, really delicious. I love the sort of vibrant colour of it. I love the taste of beetroots. It's so easy to make. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. Okay, so we've got some beetroot there. There's some raw beet. I just peeled them, give them a little wash. Potatoes. Now, they look about roughly the same, but there's quite a bit more of the beetroot to the potato. 1 cup of onion, or 1 decent sized onion, tablespoon of garlic, 2 teaspoons of paprika, sweet paprika that is, 2 teaspoons of cumin powder, and then just a little bit of carrot. If you want, you could be adding some celery into this as well. We're going to start this off with a touch of oil, salt and pepper. It's super easy. Okay, so I've got 3 tablespoons of oil in there. I'm using a corn oil. You can use anything you want. The heat's on above medium. In go the beets, the potatoes, the little bit of carrot, the 1 onion, the tablespoon of garlic, the 2 teaspoons of paprika and cumin, a nice big pinch of salt, the same with black pepper. We're going to throw this around for 5 minutes in the pan. Then we're going to add liquid to it. I'm using water, you could use stock, and we're pretty much done. So easy. There you go, just that 5 minutes, that is, just getting it all together. Now, like I say, I'm using water today. You want enough water to cover it, and then just a little bit. We need to bring that to the boil, so heat up now. And then we're gonna let it go on a nice rolling boil for maybe 10 minutes. We're just looking for everything to be super soft. I'll get a lid on that. Okay. Off goes the heat. Let's jump in and take a look. That is looking lovely, nice and soft, all the vegetables. Now look, I've got one of these fellows that you pop in and liquidize it with. If you haven't got one of these, you could maybe use a food processor or something. So let me do that. I'll spare you the noise. I'll be back in about, it'll take me like 2 or 3 minutes to do it. I'll actually be back in about 4 seconds, won't I? But yeah, it's gonna take me about 4 minutes to do it. And that is beautiful. Really lovely. Check that for salt and pepper, but it's going to be good for me. I'm going to serve that, and I get some little bit of sour cream on there. Fantastic. And I think that's really beautiful. Lovely sort of vibrant colour. Yeah, put a couple of tablespoons of sour cream there as I served it, and then sprinkled it with a little bit more paprika. If you want a little bit of fresh dill maybe, but yeah, I think that's really lovely. Hope you enjoy that. Keep safe, keep well. See you soon. Lots of love. Well done for making it to the end of the video. I really appreciate it. I appreciate all of you that follow the channel on a regular basis. You know who you are. There's loads of you. I'm cooking away like non-stop. As you can see, I've got some lovely food right in front of me here. We're just about to start our cookbook. We're doing our cookbook at the moment, which is going to take a long time to come out. I know a lot of you have been asking for it, but yeah, it's going to take a while, lots to do. But yeah, cooking away. Chef June is working really hard on the channel as well, doing his Filipino food in Tagalog. Rahel's got her own channel now doing the Ethiopian food, which is marvelous. It is in Amharic, the national language of Ethiopia, but check it out because she really is fantastic. I'm doing good. I hope you're doing great. Give us a thumbs up, leave us a comment. I do actually try and get back to everyone who leaves a comment for me. Subscribe to the channel, all that good stuff. There's social media knocking about, you know, Instagram and Facebook and all that stuff if you want to check it out. But that's it. Keep safe, keep well. Lots of love.